Today we will make a fully automated attendance sheet with a weekly off option and with the option of second and fourth Saturday marking as holiday. You can download sample sheet from the link provided in the description box. First we make and format heading for sheet. Now we will make table for employee their attendance details and later we will be able to print this table as a report. P represent present. A for absent and. We will also give leave option in case any employee take leave for the day. And we will also give option for leave for half day will be represented by age. Now we will make some option to give input or information to the sheet. We will create list option to select month and year. For that we and another sheet that will help in making list option. We will create total 4 lists in the sheet. One for to select month and another for to select year. Third one to select weekly off and last one to select attendance of the employee. Off option is for special or other holidays. To create a list we will select the cell then go to Data tab then Data Validation option then in Allow select List then in Source for list we will select the range from sheet to .la and press OK. Similarly we will do it again for creating list for selecting month. We will use the date value formula. Date value function helps convert dates imported from external sources that are in text format to a proper date format as our date starts from 1 then ampersand then select month then ampersand again then select year. To calculate last day of month we will use EO month formula. Type EO month then select start date of the month from cell then comma then press 0. Format of the cell should be in date format. Now we will fill the column with the date of the selected month using sequence function. And to find the number of sequence we will calculate the number of days in the selected month using days function. Since there is 31 days in month of January so we will add 1 in our formula. Change the cell format to general format. Now we will use sequence formula since we want date should be filled column wise so we left row as blank and in column we will use days formula for sequence number and for start we will select starting date of month from the cell. we will create weekly of 1 and weekly of 2 option using list. Now we will find the days corresponding to date by using text function. And we also apply if function so that if date is not there, corresponding days cell remains blank. We want day's name, so we select starting date, and we want day's name should be in 3 letters, so we give 3 ds for format text. Select all the rows according to number of employees and column corresponding to 31 days. Here we are making the attendance sheet for 15 employees. Now we make list option to fill the attendance of the employee. Create the second and fourth Saturday option, and we will use checkbox for that. If checkbox is checked, then date appears and color of corresponding date column get changed, that we will see in later part of this video. To know more about the checkbox uses and control, you can check my video on to-do list, which was made using checkbox. I will provide the link of video in description box. the second and fourth Saturday, we will combine date function with floor function. I will discuss the floor and ceiling function in detail in next video. Now we apply formatting to our sheet, so we select month as February and year as non-leap year. Here we apply auto border to our sheet as employee name is entered. Border should be applied to the respective row. For how to apply automatic border, you can check my video on that. To count the total number of presents, absent, leave and half day, we will use COUNTIF formula. Now we want to enter attendance letters should be in different colors. For that we select all the rows of attendance sheet and use conditional formatting option. Then new rule, then format only cells that contains option. Then select specific text from drop down, then click on format, then select font and the select desired color and style. Similarly, we repeat the process for other letters. set the font color of the attendance count record to sheet color that is white and apply conditional formatting, so that whenever we enter the employee name record appear adjacent to it, by changing the font color to black. We will add none option to the weekly off list. There may be only one day off in a week. Now we format our table on weekly off selection. For this, we use two conditions in the formula using an operation. One condition is that the employee name should not be empty and the selected day should match the day in the attendance sheet, then color the respective day in the sheet. Since there are two weekly off options, we use the OR operation too. We will do the same for second and fourth Saturday option, but here we match the date instead of days, then color the respective column. We have not selected the cells or table to apply conditional formatting. So we have to modify our rule. Still, there is some issue with the selection. I guess I have done the wrong selection. Formula was also wrong. Now it is working fine. Now we apply condition formatting, keeping in mind that we have month of 29 days, month of 30 days and month of 31 days. We will do it one by one. If you have any other idea, please suggest me through comment. We set the printable area so that whenever we give the print command, only that portion of sheet get printed. Select the cells and go to Page Layout tab, then click on Print Area. Now, you can print the report of attendance sheet on one click. Now we make the sheet more informative.